Welcome to HeatSign. In today's tutorial, we'll show you how to mark model numbers and QR codes on PCB circuit boards using our HSUV05W UV laser marking machine. First, rotate the emergency stop button to release the machine. Turn on the red light to assist in laser focusing. Now, power on the system. Insert the wireless mouse receiver and connect the mouse. Enter the password to access the editing interface. Let's enter the model number, fill in the text details, and resize the mark as needed. Now, input the QR code to adjust its content and size as well. For PCB marking, we recommend these settings: speed 1,500 mm per second power, 55% in fill line spacing, 0.02 mm. These parameters deliver high contrast. Marks without damaging. Click preview to check the mark's position. If the size or location isn't perfect, adjust accordingly. Now that everything is set, begin the marking process. The UV laser delivers clean, permanent marks even on heat-sensitive materials like PCB. Here's the final result. Sharp text and scannable QR codes ideal for electronics traceability and compliance. Want to upgrade your production with precise, damage-free PCB marking? Contact HeatSign today for a free sample test or a quote.